This video is something for everyone who's going to office or college. This video will help a lot. So watch it till the end. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So namaskara ellargu, nanu nimma Anupa Satish. So finally I don't know if I should say welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel anta, because tumba doddu gap admele ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I think welcome back to my YouTube channel and I really hope that ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈ ತರ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I think I started YouTube before YouTube was even a thing Karnatakali. So I started YouTube in 2020 COVID lockdown time ali, and I just loved YouTube. I loved everything about it. I loved sharing non personal life na things that I do, products I use, reviews, everything. But for some reasons of course nanu busy ade for other things. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, in this video you might already guess because seeing my attire, I'm in this proper neatly ironed formal shirt. So it's something about going back to office. So recently on 2 weeks, actually from the beginning of June inda namge nan office alli they're calling us back to work like in a hybrid model, andre 2 days 3 days in a week tara they're calling us. It's not mandated namgina, but still they're calling us back to office. And I've started going back to office. Nan Instagram alli follow ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ stories alli ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು adana. So this video is something for everyone who is going to office or college. This video will help a lot. So watch it till the end. So like I said, last 3 years inda I've been working from home. So 2020 inda, so 2024 June inda sudden agi I have been going back to office, which is a good feeling for me personally. Nanga adra mele eno complaints illa. I like it. I like going out office, like meeting people in person. Nanige tumba ishta. But only one thing that I struggle personally is the commute. Like ನಾನು ಸೌತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗಳು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಟು ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಹೌಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್, ಹೋಗೋದು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ನನಗೊಂದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೈಕ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. So I used to use this big laptop bags to carry laptops. So idu office alle kodtare, gottirutte nimge office hogtiroorge. So laptop jote laptop bag bandirutte. But in metro when you're traveling, so it's not like ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೂಡ್ಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to climb up stairs, climb down stairs, and also metro ildu I had to walk till office. Carrying this huge bag was not at all working out for me. It was very tiring. So it was high time that I ordered new office bags. So these are the bags that I newly ordered Myntra inda. So idralli 4 bags ide and all of them are tote bags, and elladunu onde brand called Mini West anta. Ee brand inda ನಾನು ಯಾದೇ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ and also I've seen few people using it. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So I wanted to try. So this is the first package, guys. So idrallene there are 2 bags. So let's see both of them together. So I always personally wanted this print in a bag. So idu tumba bere brands allu ide. I've seen it in H&M, I've seen it in Accessorize. So they have the same bag, but they're pretty expensive in those brands. But this in Mini West, let me open it and show you. Single zip and there is one huge compartment inside. Amele material bandu feels like jute cotton kind of material, which is nice, which is pretty, and I think size wise I like it. It's good for me. So there are mainly like 2 products nange ee bag alli fit agbeku. One is my laptop, which I think idu 13 inches width iranta laptop. So I want this laptop to fit in along with my water bottle. So this is a new bottle that I got from Decathlon. So it's like my current favorite water bottle, stainless steel though. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಆದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಬಾಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಎರಡೂ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Okay, it actually fits my laptop exactly. So it's, I think, exact size na laptop ke. It is like till here my laptop is there, but it fits. It's pretty decent, I think. Does fit my laptop and water bottle, and I also want few things more like my ID card and phone chargers and small makeup pouch. Idishtu fit agabeku. I think it will fit, so this is good. So the price of this is, I'm putting on the screen so you can check. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಮಿಂತ್ರಾಲಿ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ವಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ಲವ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Second bag, and again this is from the same brand called Minivest. So I love this bag. Basically I love this handle. I think it's very stylish. It's pretty cool, but size ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Let's see if it fits my laptop. Of course there is one zip on the top and some junk. So they have one big compartment again idral kuda, like the first bag, and they have, oh I'm so sorry, there are two compartments in this. See, there are two compartments, and there is one in between. There is another zip, and red compartment madhya innond zip compartment kuda ide, and there is a small zip again to hold I think phone and other things. Yeah, I think this is pretty good with respect to the number of compartments in the first bag. So let's see if it really passes the test by fitting in my laptop. Adagilla andre definitely in an office it help madalla. So let's see.
Oh my god,
it just easily fit ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. So it just fitted fine. So wow, I think I already like this bag, but I still have two more bags to review, so I don't want to choose a winner ivaglene. So I'll keep this aside and I'll review two more bags. Okay, these are the next two bags that I have. They're pretty similar. So especially this one is the same print as the first bag. Nan tosid first bag the print is the same, but they're very different bags. I'll show you why. So let's unbox this one first. Okay, this is the third bag. Idu so brownish, brown and black mix shade ide. Idukke leather handles ide, hagene this metal handles kuda ide. So you can use whichever you want. And actually honestly, like the first bag nan torsidu idu print same ide, but the bag itself is so different. But this is more good in quality, and also like just the look of it, like you know, idu ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ from the first bag. So let's see ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು compartments ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Sorry, there was this pouch inside this bag as well. So this is how the bag looks from inside. It is just one compartment ಇದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ, and there is a space here, extra space, and there is a zip pouch also. The size ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಇದು than the first bag ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ಕಿಂತ. So let's do the real test and see if it fits my laptop and my bottle or not.
so trying my laptop. It's easy and trying my water bottle.
Fits pretty good, and also it's pretty nice. But e bag solpa heavy anstide nange. It's bit huge. Probably it's a bit huge for me in size. First two bags compare madre, this bit huge. Definitely it's heavier then the other bags. So the price of this bag when I bought was this much. So I think this is a pretty good bag. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or I'm gonna return this, but I think this is a very nice bag, quality wise, design wise, color wise, print wise, and space wise. Elladu compare madidre this is a really good bag anistide. Okay, so we have come to the last bag of this video. So the fourth bag is again a black bag. So nimge gottagirbodu ನನ್ನ obsession with black bags. So let's unbox this. Like, you guys, like, it's a velvet material. So I know gottagta illa video li anta, but it's a velvet material, the whole body, and leather ide, and they have these straps. So the straps are a mixture of metal and leather. I think I'm already loving it, but let's see what's inside. This bag again has a zip on the top. There is also this. Yeah, I think like if ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ they have given ಈ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕವರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2. ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಜಿಪ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಜಿಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಜಿಪ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಲೈಕ್ ನನಗೆ ದ ವೇ ಇಟ್ ಔಟರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು, ದ ವೆಲ್ವೆಟ್, ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್. Yeah, it just fits. So I think one best thing about their office bags is that pratiyon bagu like is clearly fitting my 13-inch laptop. So I think avaru adan mind alli itkonde bags madidare anta. So this bag really looks very classy. I don't know if you can see, and again it's from the same brand Minivest. Just reconfirming to you guys. So idradu link na description kotirtini. Actually all 4 bags description alli kotirtini. And I hope this review help you girls to decide ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಥರ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೊಗೊಬಾರ್ದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಅಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೈ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಲಿಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. Except for the first bag, I think the first bag was below 1000. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ above 1000 ಇತ್ತು prices. But I think it's totally worth it. In the quality and their functionality and the look of it, I think their bags are worth the price, and they're like amazing functionality. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ I liked everything, all the 4 bags, but I want you guys to help me decide idರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಎ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ, ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ 1, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ 2, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ 3, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ 4. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ವೇ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ grateful for you guys, and I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in more videos. Bye bye.